High hallways with narrow footprints are perfect for overhead cabinets accessed by a sliding ladder to add usable storage without eating floor space. When planning high hallway storage solutions for small homes, start by measuring vertical clearance from floor to ceiling and the clearance above door frames to determine cabinet height and ladder reach. Choose shallow top cabinets no more than 10 inches deep to avoid protruding into the walkway while still holding seasonal linens and rarely used items. Install a rolling library ladder on a continuous track anchored to wall studs and ceiling blocking, so the ladder travels smoothly and can be parked unobtrusively. Select a ladder height that allows 3 points of contact when ascending and descending. Use keyed locking on cabinet doors that store chemicals, sharp tools, or important documents, and place locks at a comfortable reach for adults while out of reach for young children. Organize contents into labeled seasonal bins sized to slide easily into the shelves, and use clear labels or a simple index on a clipboard near the entrance to the hallway for quick retrieval. Add integrated lighted strips inside each cabinet and along the underside of shelving with warm temperature light to improve visibility without glare, and wire them to a switched circuit or motion sensor for hands-free access. 3 common mistakes are making cabinets too deep, which causes collisions and a claustrophobic feel, failing to mount the ladder track to solid blocking, which results in wobble and unsafe movement, and leaving items unlabeled, which turns overhead storage into a forgotten catch-all. If cabinets are too deep, retrofit with a fixed face frame or install a recessed shallow box to reduce intrusion into the passage. If the ladder track is not secure, inspect and add blocking or consult a licensed carpenter to reinforce the mounting points and replace worn rollers. For unlabeled contents, take 15 minutes to sort into uniform bins and create a 1-page index that you update seasonally, so retrieval is fast and avoids repeated ladder trips. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners discover high hallway storage ideas and connect with local contractors who can install cabinets and ladder systems. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where users and tradespeople exchange tips, recommend products, and post before and after photos.